am not the baddest bitch you like. It ain't my fault that I'm out here getting loose.
Okay, for the Milk foundation, I don't quite like it. One of the reasons is because I guess it doesn't have a large variety of skin tone colors to pick from. Which one was it? The cinnamon was the closest to my skin color, and it still came off a little darker. That's lost a little points there. And also when I apply it as a stick, it's a little thick. The density of the foundation itself is thicker, and when I try to apply it with my brush, it was a little bit more work. It's okay, but compared to the Fenty, it's a lot tougher to apply. Just isn't as smooth. And also, once I finish applying it and I use my setting powder and my concealer, it blends well with the concealer now, but like after you set it and dust it off, it leaves like, not only in the place where I did a setting powder, but like for the whole side of the foundations on this side, but it came off like very cakey. The finishing of the foundation always came off cakey. It elaborated on my pores, made it look a little bit bigger, which you can see, but it's not as natural or light air looking as it said on the box. Both of them feels very light. Don't really feel the difference in the weight of the makeup, but as you can see, the Fenty it looks just like my skin, right? Very natural. And this side, not only it's the color, it doesn't have a great color to match my skin tone. It just have an ashy finish with it. Don't like it. Let's keep it real. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed. It might have been a little bumpy because it is my first video, and thank you for being my first viewers ever. I do hope that you enjoyed my company, because I sure in the heck will enjoy to see and read you guys' likes and comments. Any critiques helped out too, but you know, just tell me what you loved about it and maybe what you hate about it. But any comments at all, I do appreciate. And just don't forget to subscribe.